Non-refundable payment agreements are essential tools for protecting your business interests, especially when selling digital products, subscription services, or high-value items. Understanding how to properly structure these agreements can save you from costly disputes and legal challenges. A non-refundable payment agreement is a legally binding document that clearly specifies which payments cannot be reclaimed after a transaction is completed. These agreements are particularly valuable for businesses selling digital goods, SaaS subscriptions, or services where the provider incurs significant costs before fulfillment. For digital products, non-refundable agreements make perfect sense since there is no physical item to return. Once a customer downloads your software or accesses your digital content, they have received the product in its entirety. To ensure your non-refundable agreement is legally enforceable, you must draft it carefully. Courts often scrutinize these agreements, particularly when they appear to favor one party unfairly. Always clearly define what constitutes a non-refundable payment and explain why it is necessary. Transparency is key. Require explicit acceptance through digital or physical signatures. Avoid terms that heavily favor your business at the expense of fairness. Your agreement must comply with state and federal consumer protection laws, as some jurisdictions mandate refund policies in specific circumstances. Always disclose your cancellation policies upfront, including any exceptions. Your payment terms should be included in your terms and conditions if your business accepts payments through a website or mobile app. These clauses protect your business while informing customers of your expectations regarding payment handling. Effective payment terms should specify accepted payment methods, such as credit cards or purchase orders. They should outline how late or missed payments will be handled and provide comprehensive return and refund information. Include a clear process for dispute resolution. For SaaS applications offering subscriptions or recurring payments, add specific clauses about your right to suspend service or cancel accounts for non-payment. Detail how renewals work, whether they occur automatically unless canceled or require specific steps. Clearly state how subscription plans function and the billing frequency customers can expect. While your policy may be non-refundable, certain exceptions may exist where you are legally or ethically required to provide refunds. These include cases of defective or misrepresented services, failure to deliver as promised, or situations covered by statutory consumer rights in industries like travel and hospitality. To protect against chargebacks, use clear refund policies and require customer acknowledgement. Document all transactions and communications thoroughly. Consider implementing fraud prevention tools to identify high-risk transactions before they become problems. For one-time payments, include clauses specifying accepted payment types, what the customer is purchasing, your return policy, and any rights you retain to limit liability. Non-refundable deposit agreements are particularly important for high-value transactions. These contracts specify the parties involved, including the buyer's name and address, and the seller's business information. This ensures the deal offered won't be given to another buyer, and that the deposit goes to the correct business. The agreement should clearly address the purchase details, identifying the deposit amount, often a percentage of the total cost, and precisely what item or service the deposit is securing. For physical items, include model numbers to avoid confusion. Despite clear terms, disputes over non-refundable payments can still arise. Common conflicts include chargebacks, where customers dispute charges through their credit card issuer, misunderstandings about the agreement's conditions, and challenges when a business fails to deliver the agreed service. To resolve disputes effectively, ensure customers fully understand the terms before payment. Consider offering alternative dispute resolution methods like mediation or arbitration. If a dispute escalates, you may need legal counsel to enforce the contract. The enforceability of your non-refundable payment agreement depends on clarity, fairness, and compliance with relevant laws. Industries that commonly use these agreements include real estate, software as a service, custom orders like wedding planning, and professional services. A well-crafted agreement should specify payment details, refund conditions, dispute resolution mechanisms, and address legal considerations. While customers can dispute non-refundable charges through chargebacks, businesses can protect themselves with clear terms and thorough documentation. To ensure your non-refundable payment agreement stands up to legal scrutiny, consulting with a legal expert is invaluable. They can help you navigate applicable laws and strengthen the enforceability of your agreements, providing peace of mind and protecting your business interests.